Hey everyone, my name's Amaryllis. Thanks so much for checking back with me. So I'm going to go ahead and just go into how-tos and my reviews on the 3 products that I introduced to you in my previous video. So those were the 3 first products from my SheaMoisture box from the Clarifying Refresh collection. So the 3 of these products contain aloe vera, tea tree oil, African black soap, and bamboo charcoal. So I use the three of these products. This one is the body scrub and the foaming facial wash, and then this is the moisturizer, the hydrating moisturizer it came with. So my first review is going to be on the bamboo charcoal detoxifying facial wash. Now, I've used their facial washes before and I have loved all of them. I have sensitive skin, so the foaminess of it, if you will, it just meshes really well with my sensitive skin. I have combination skin as well, so it becomes oily and dry whenever it wants to. So with this, I feel like it really does help my glow and help me take out all those impurities in my pores that I don't want. But I wish, here, I'll show you guys. Just like take a pump. But it is super foamy. And it smells delicious, honestly. Now, all of these products are organic. They have no sulfate, no parabens, no animal testing, none of that. It is organic. It is straight up just everything that they put in the ingredients. So I could definitely smell the aloe. I could smell that tea tree oil. It smells amazing, honestly. The African black soap, I'm not sure if that's that distinct smell, but it smells amazing. Just gonna go ahead and I'll wash my hands. Come out soapy. So the next product is the bamboo charcoal body scrub. Now, I use this on my arm and I did like this product. It's not, so the beads aren't, so it exfoliates, but it's not like that rough type of scrub. It's super soft, and the beads in here actually go ahead and they like, what's the word? It smells so good. It deteriorates. That's the word. It deteriorates with the water. So it's super soft. Like, I'm rubbing this in between my fingers and the beads are already deteriorating. It honestly feels like a lotion. It's amazing. That's probably why it's amazing. Yeah, it feels like a lotion with little beads in it. And I've actually used this several times to shave. So I feel like this product is amazing for shaving your legs, FYI. Because it's like a lotion, but it has like little beads in there, so it takes away the dead skin. It's like an exfoliant before shaving. Just don't put on too much. But I definitely would recommend this. And then the third product I used was this moisturizer. The bamboo charcoal hydrating jelly or glee moisturizer. So at first, when I opened this, that's why in that video it went everywhere. I didn't know that the consistency is so liquidy and like it literally fell all over my laptop, but it's okay. So I'm gonna try to show you guys without actually spilling it. See, it's like really liquidy. There it goes. But I can show you guys. Wish you guys could smell this. You guys definitely have to pick this up. So it's super soft. It doesn't feel oily at all. I put it on my skin and it dries up quickly. It doesn't dry you up like, it doesn't dry up your skin. The product itself just dries up really quickly with the air. So it doesn't keep your face oily, sticky. I actually forget that I have this moisturizer on, and I think that's why it's so good. But it really soothes your skin. I feel like this would be really good for like red skin, whenever you have like rosacea or just redness on your skin, because it's also cooling since it's really like liquidy. The consistency of it is, if you keep it in like a cool to dry place, I feel like if like you're on the sun, this would be perfect for summer coming up, because the cooling effect would take place instantly. So I loved all of these three products. I'm definitely going to be showing you guys more. So this is my first collection with you guys. Journey begins from here, and I can't wait to see where it leads. So thanks for watching, guys. Wait, don't go yet. So quickly, before you guys go, I'm just going to show you how I applied these three products. The foaming facial wash, I just applied 1 to 2 pumps into the palm of my hands, and I like to use the 3 less harsh fingers that we don't use as often. So our pinky, our ring finger, and our middle finger. I use these 3 fingers instead of the index and the thumb, just because it's more gentle on our skin. So I go ahead and rub in circular motion. I massage every part of my face, every part of my skin, no matter if I'm blemish prone in that specific area. I like to be proactive, so go ahead and just massage for a couple of minutes. Then I swipe up. You always want to help gravity. So anything you're doing with makeup, your face, you always go up. So you swipe up, you dry up. That's my tip to you guys. Girl, that really did happen. That moisturizer fell all over my laptop, but it was no worries. It was such a quick pickup. There was no residue left, which was a great sign because that means no residue left on our face. So it's kind of like an experiment if you want to think about it that way. But anyway, this moisturizer, it really dries up quickly, and you don't even feel it on your face afterwards. It gives me a glow, so I was very hydrated throughout the day. I used this right before I was gonna have a beach day, so I was out in the sun and my skin did not get dry in those specific areas, especially since I have combination skin. So this product was amazing. So last but not least, this is Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub that I have fallen in love with. This product is amazing. Yes, I couldn't open it. I forgot that there was a protector on it, but it's okay, I figured it out. So anyway, but this product is just so soft on your skin. It really hydrates and lathers your skin as you are taking away the dead skin from scrubbing it off with the body scrub. I encourage all of you guys to go out and try these products. Message me, comment me, just let me know how you guys are feeling about these products, and if you guys have any suggestions, if you want me to show you more things, how-tos, reviews, just let me know, and I will do my best in providing you guys with information that is helpful. So let me know how you guys feel, and thanks for watching.